emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stark County until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive golf ball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles southwest of East Sparta and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Canton, East Sparta, Massillon, Waynesburg, North Canton, Louisville, Hartsville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Stark, Ohio,